I'm Jenny, and Andrea is about to explain 2 new products that we have on embroidery.com.
Yes, Jenny, this is incredible. This is the 505 spray adhesive.
Right.
So this works wonderfully for your projects that maybe are too small to hoop when you're embroidering or appliquing and that kind of thing. So this is wonderful for those. So it just kind of keeps it there, and it doesn't gum up on your needles and your machines and things like that. So it's very wonderful for those projects.
I've seen Kirsten use this in some of her project videos, and it looks like it's extremely easy to use.
Yes, definitely. And it's not a mist, so it just goes directly on your fabric or whatever.
Great. So it's all environmentally friendly.
Exactly. Right.
Not smelly.
Right.
I
odorless.
hate smelly
yes,
things.
colorless and odorless.
Good.
So very, very wonderful to use. And over here we have the DK5 cleaning agent.
Oh, okay.
So this is wonderful to use on your needles, on your machine, on your hoops, and
just in case there is some residue.
Right, exactly. To get that residue off, even on your tables, you can use it. So it's wonderful to use.
Great.
With your projects.
All right. Well, thank you very much.